Have you ever seen a video of a B-52 Stratofortress lumbering into the sky? 8 engines roar to life, and a massive cloud of thick black smoke billows out behind it, painting a dark line across the horizon. It's natural to look at that and wonder, is something wrong with that plane? Surprisingly, the answer is no. That signature smoke trail is just a classic, gritty feature of its old-school power. The main culprits behind the smoke are the B-52's 8 Pratt and Whitney TF33 engines. These are vintage turbofan engines with a core design that dates all the way back to the 1950s. The black smoke you see is essentially unburnt fuel, tiny particles of carbon, or soot. This happens because the combustion process inside these older engines isn't perfectly efficient, especially at full throttle during a power-intensive takeoff. To make matters even smokier, older models of the B-52 used water injection for an extra boost. For a couple of minutes, demineralized water was sprayed into the engine. This cooled the engine and increased the mass flowing through it, allowing more fuel to be burned for a massive thrust increase. The downside, this created an even richer fuel-to-air mixture, leading to more incomplete combustion and that signature plume of black smoke. In the era when the B-52 was engineered, a smoky engine wasn't a major concern. The absolute priorities were raw power, long-range performance, and rock-solid reliability. Environmental standards and fuel efficiency simply weren't the driving factors they are today. When you see a modern airliner take off without a trace of smoke, you're witnessing decades of technological advancement. Advanced combustor designs, high bypass ratios, and precise digital fuel controls allow today's engines to burn fuel almost perfectly. That iconic smoke trail has been a huge part of the B-52's identity for over 70 years, but its days are numbered. The U.S. Air Force is currently re-engining the entire B-52 fleet with modern Rolls-Royce F-130 engines. These new power plants are dramatically more fuel efficient, require far less maintenance, and will burn cleanly, completely eliminating the smoke.